This is Avi. This is Avi's restaurant. Anyone coming to Cuenca has got to come to Paradis. This time he put a lot of chili in, so fucking oof. Thank you, Avi. Fantastic, amazing Indian food. So anyone in Cuenca?
When I wander, see right through you, flying high in Freddy, voodoo, lucid, dreaming, magic, wonder. Can you see this spell I'm under? Make you wonder with that rhythm, feel it moving through your system. Step on, steppers, step up to it. All you got to do is do it.
Oh, fucking, he's got aggressive.
Oh, fuck.
In fact, Frankie actually likes Indy better than he likes me. Fucking crazy, Frankie. Then again, I'm not surprised he does. Frankie, when we decide to turn you into chicken nuggets, that's exactly where you're going. When you become a chicken nugget, you're going in the blender, buddy. But until then, we'll promise we'll love you. Right, we're leaving Cuenca. We are, I think we have 150 kilometers to get down. Gonna go through a national park. It's about to start raining. National park gets a lot of landslides, so hopefully we'll be alright. Well, we've got quite a high climb. We're going to go up to 4,000 meters today. Worst case scenario, I'll strap a line from Ingy's car to my car. Pretty steep. I'm stuck in second gear. This is slow.
everybody gets a picture in my magazine.
Very slow going, second gear. I mean, the saving grace is it's nice and cool. But it's slow.
Help but spy from my wandering eye. Something beginning with the capital cool, capital U.
Okay, Tommy did well. It's got up to 4,140 meters. Now we're on the downhill bit. So that's beautiful scenery out here. This is the National Park de Cajas. A lot of it are stuck in first and second gear. I haven't been up this high for such a long time. I've forgotten how much power this car loses. Fucking Frankie got out of his box and started flying around the car, man. He almost flew out the fucking window. He could commit suicide. I didn't expect my car could get any messier than it is until I introduced the fucking chicken into the mix. I'm not too sure how long Frankie's going to be with me. You know, I've actually become a little bit fond of him. Almost to the point where maybe I won't turn him into chicken nuggets. Having said
I got the wandering eye. All you know, I got it. All you know. Feels like I can't sit still when I got it. When I got it.
there's been a lot of landslides here. I just passed one bit and half the road was covered. But the embankments are so steep the stuff just flies off. I'm actually driving in the middle of the road, I'm not driving in my lane. Which looks like it's quite normal practice here because if something should come down, it's going to come down very fucking fast. And hopefully being in the middle of the road means I've got a chance to miss it. But there's a lot of stuff on the road, like I'm talking boulders and all sorts of shit. I feel a bit guilty of the fact that I'm having fried chicken for lunch, given the fact that I'm now the proud owner of a chicken, a live one, but fuck it. Crazy, in a day we've gone from 4,200 metres, and we're now 200 metres above sea level. It's all of a sudden really hot. Very tropical here, it feels like the Caribbean. Today, the campsite I was staying at is a chocolate farm. Frankie's done a runner, he's in the back somewhere. Frankie, where are you? Oh, there he is. Thanks, he's only shitting on my bed, no problem. We're at the campsite. This place is called Hacienda Cacao and Mango, this place here. Look at that. And this is Nympha. Nympha is the owner. And Nympha, you've been here your whole life. This is your farm.
Yes, this is my family farm. Yep. And we offer chocolate tours, coffee experience, or also you can prepare your own food, your own meals, taking product from around.
We've got bananas, cacao.
I mean,
over here.
As hell.
It's about 30 degrees, but it's really sticky. This is fantastic, this place. And also the camping is free, which is really surprising. But what an amazing host. He's pretty noisy, this guy. I'll tell you what, the new resident is very ooh, that's a new noise. Right, go to bed. It's our spot. Unfortunately, no anacondas here. Worth a try, right? This is a perfect sort of environment for them. Obviously, there's no prey here. Obviously, not the Amazon. But this is exactly where that sort of vegetation is what they love. I'm sure if I jumped in, I'd find something, but I'm not in the mood to jump in quite yet. It's so hot. This is my onboard shower. Because obviously I don't have a shower, but it's what I use. Perfect. I've just woken up very early. In fact, the fucking cat tried to get in the car last night and kill Frankie. The social experiment of having a chicken in my car to keep me company, I guess as a hybrid sort of meal if I need it, is not going to work out as well as I'd hoped. I mean, I'm on day 3 and I wake up with, there's shit all over the passenger seat. Thankfully he did the passenger seat, so that I'm happy about. But then I found him pecking my fucking feet at 5:30 this morning, and I mean, my kids were easier work than that, put it that way. Already the combi's messy, but oh my God, Frankie, he's got no respect for his surroundings, basically. Since he came on the scene, breakfast in the Orange Kombi Adventures have got a lot better. It used to be fucking what I call dash bread from the dashboard. But now I get, obviously this one's finished, but yogurt, honey. The mosquitoes are so aggressive here that they don't care if you're swatting them. You actually have to hit them, and there's blood all over me from the mosquitoes. It's quite incredible. It doesn't get more local than this. This is well off the Gringo Trail. I can't imagine there's been too many gringos around here recently. Competition for me, I can't believe it. Over. Hi, buddy. Oh, yeah. Come here. Come on, come to daddy. Yeah, come here. Oh, fuck. Okay, I'll let you out. Frankie, out you go. Go and do your thing outside. 5:30. Fucking hell. I used to go to bed at 5 and get up at 10. Now it's up at 5:30, regardless of what happens the night before. Fantastic. Bananas everywhere. Wow. Bananas, coconuts, lemons, and they said we can use whatever we want on the farm. I mean, that's amazing. We're gonna stay another night. Really cool. And it's completely self-sufficient, this farm. So, they what they produce, it keeps them going. I mean, it's a pretty cool way to live, being self-sufficient, I have to say.